Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G42. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, tap button in the top right corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, go to voice match and enable Hey Google function. Tap next, agree and continue. Let's try it out. Hey Google. Okay Google. Sometimes we have to retrain the voice model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Let's try it out again. Hey Google. Now that we are sure it's working, let's go back. Enter lock screen and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now we can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be partly cloudy with a high of 77 and a low of 55.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.